Meanwhile, our news team also took to the streets of the corporate area to see how Jamaicans are preparing for Melissa. Aliyah Bryant spoke with some shoppers and supermarket operators and filed this report.
The bread are gone. We got bread twice today.
Essential items such as bread, water and canned foods became a bit more essential for some Jamaicans today, many of whom went to stock up on these supplies. The result? Aisles that are usually calm are now filled with urgency and empty shelves. TVJ News went into the streets to see how shoppers are preparing.
Utilities like candles, like you would have get the foodstuffs and things like that. And if you don't have any candle, you can also get kerosene oil. Yes, I have water stored up. That's the reason why I have my 2 5-gallon. So I have water outside and I have water inside. But like for my personal drinking water, I would have to get these filled.
Warnings ring loud and clear. Avoid flooded roadways during the storm. But it appears these warnings spread to bread aisles across some supermarkets.
When I came, actually there was none. Fortunately, I was able to get at least one.
Just getting the essentials, canned food, water, dry food, obviously, nothing that can spoil.
But just how serious are people taking the weather system? The supermarket supervisor for some parts in Crossroads says they are prepared for earlier opening hours if the need arises.
When I came this afternoon, we were busy. And what I can see in most customer baskets are water, snacks like crackers, bread, dry stuff, mostly rice, sugar, anything that is dry. But once there is a storm threat or any depression, we find that customers come in by the droves, come in to get their supplies. Whether they take the storm serious or not, they ensure that they got their supplies in.
As for her staff,
we have standby transportation for them, whether we have to go and pick them up or we have to transport them home. So we have that in place.
Aliyah Bryant, TVJ News.